Hi guys, welcome to Piping, Welding and DT channel. So this is a computation of how to find the length of sides when the angle is known. Okay, let's say our angle or degree is 15 degree. So we have a 15 degrees here. From arrow here and there, so we have a 15 degrees, and we have a given of sides. This side is rubber. Okay, let's say we have a 57 from our travel, and we will compute the set. We will find this set, so this is the question mark. Using this calculator, we will compute it. This 57 in the travel and 15 degrees. Okay, just multiply it the 57 and multiply it to, this is a sine 15 degrees. Okay, sine 15. So this is the answer of set. So we have a 14.752. Okay, just 14.8. Just round off it. The answer for this is 14.8. Okay, so the sine of 15 degrees this is the sine of 15 degrees, so 2.258, just 259, round off it. So we have a sine of 15 degrees is equals to 0.259. Okay, just multiply the treble and the sine. Equals set. Okay, and then we will compute this side. This is run. So to compute that, just use it this 57 in our treble. 57, multiply it, make it cosine. Okay, cosine 15 degrees equals. So this is the answer of run. We have a 55.1 or 55.0. Okay, 55.0. Just multiply the treble and the cosine, and then equals run. Okay, so that's all for now guys, and thanks for watching. I hope you have learned about this video, and see you in my next video. Thanks you. Bye.